Hello, everyone! This is the Greater Than Fishman Insights. Against the backdrop of AI and Web3 convergence, today we examine what makes a truly sustainable Web3 project. Numerous over less than greater than hyped crypto projects have quickly vanished from the market. This urges us to find the foundational pillars that distinguish less than greater than long-term value, less than greater than driven protocols, from short less than greater than term speculative hype. Next, we will unpack the 5 core pillars for building enduring Web3 ecosystems. Projects missing these 5 pillars are structurally incomplete. They inevitably fall victim to Web3's 3 fundamental pain points: unstable traffic, broken ecosystem closed loops, and ungrounded real-world scenarios. The majority of projects on the market suffer from all 3 flaws concurrently. The Web3 space is evolving rapidly, and the rules of the game are changing. The days of pure hype and unsustainable tokenomics are over. Today, we need a new framework to evaluate projects. This framework is built on 5 core pillars: global consensus, product market fit, independent cycles, business flywheel, and endogenous deflation. These are the keys to building projects that can withstand market cycles and deliver genuine, lasting value. Global consensus means global recognition of project value, not just technical consensus. It fuels sustained traffic, enables sustainable business models, and locks projects into core Web3 infrastructure with solid resilience. Fishman Insights. Global consensus. Worldwide cross-cultural recognition of project value. The core source of steady organic traffic and the foundation of independent long-term asset cycles. Second, product market fit. A project must solve a real problem for real users. These projects succeed because they offer a product users want, regardless of the underlying technology. This is the key to sustainable user retention and mainstream adoption. Fishman Insights. PMF. Full alignment between product functions and real consumer demands. The core source of sustainable organic traffic via landed real-world scenarios. 3 are independent cycles. Elite projects build standalone growth momentum rather than passively following market sentiment. Powered by proprietary tech frameworks and tailored economic models, they produce greater than driven traffic and capital inflows. They sustain steady growth through both bear and bull markets. Such market independence is essential for long less than greater than term project. Survival. Fishman Insights. Independent cycles. Intrinsic greater than value greater than driven traffic, less than greater than capital tides decoupled from BTC price movement. Broad global consensus combined with independent cycles creates autonomous traffic tides, giving rise to capital cycles that deliver cyclical gains. Fourth, the business flywheel. It builds a self less than greater than reinforcing ecosystem. Once activated, the flywheel generates sustained momentum, continuously lifting the ecosystem's overall value and anti-less than greater than risk resilience. Fishman Insights. Business flywheel. Self less than greater than reinforcing revenue greater than user less than greater than consensus loop that magnifies traffic and capital scale. Value built on PMF. Global consensus and independent cycles recharges the ecosystem and forms a self-sustaining traffic business ecosystem closed loop. In conclusion, the 5 core pillars: global consensus, product market fit, independent cycles, business flywheel, and endogenous deflation define the definitive blueprint for next-generation Web3 projects. These 5 pillars fully resolve Web3's 3 fundamental pain points: unstable traffic, broken loop ecosystems, and unimplemented real-world scenarios. This paradigm shift moves Web3 away from speculative hype towards substantive, real value creation. By embracing this framework, we build a technologically robust, economically sustainable, and socially credible Web3 ecosystem. In conclusion, the 5 core pillars: global consensus, product market fit, independent cycles, business flywheel, and endogenous deflation define the definitive blueprint for next-generation Web3 projects. These 5 pillars fully resolve Web3's 3 fundamental pain points: unstable traffic, broken loop ecosystems, and unimplemented real-world scenarios. This paradigm shift moves Web3 away from speculative hype towards substantive, real value creation. By embracing this framework, we build a technologically robust, economically sustainable, and socially credible Web3 ecosystem. Thank you for your time. I hope this 5 greater than pillar framework delivers practical insights for evaluating and building the next generation of Web3 greater than Fishman insights. Thank you.